easy now. Bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment on the right. All right, hold it there. We are secure.
Look at this point right here.
Yes, I see it. The readings match the specs. It checks out.
Curvature variance holding at 0.04.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to the next sequence.
Okay, hold position, bringing it down 50 millimeters. Steady left side, looking good for alignment.
The alignment looks good on Sector 4.
Confirmed. The robots are compensating for the micro fluctuations perfectly.
Okay, that's torque to spec.
Verify, it looks good from here.
Applying the seal now.
Ensure the routing matches the schematic for Zone 3.
Confirmed. All harnesses are secured and torqued to specification.
Cable 6 is seated.
Confirmed. Signal is strong.
Manifest confirms Trent 1000, bound for Singapore.
Roger that. Easy on the hydraulics. Bring her down nice and easy now. Watch the alignment.
Looks good from here. Engaging the forward bolts.
Final torque sequence complete. We are secured.
Check alignment on 5 and 6.
Securing the module now. Status check complete.
Confirmed. All parameters nominal.
See how she vibrates right there. That's the threshold.
Got it. Stabilizing the flow now.
The airflow seems stable at the rear sensors.
Yes, pressure differential is holding steady at 10 psi.
Pre-flight diagnostics nominal.
Confirmed. Cabin pressure holding steady. Thank you.
Pleasure doing business with you.
As you can see, the engine cowling is fully compliant with the latest regulatory standards.
And the cabin pressurization.
Okay, everyone, say cheese!
Look up at the captain!
This looks great. Let's see.